If you're looking to integrate time tracking into Slack or Teams, this quick guide will walk you through the process in just 3 minutes. Whether you're managing a team remotely or tracking your own productivity, having time tracking in Slack or Teams is a game changer for staying organized. Stick with me until the end, because I'm going to share a way for you to get an exclusive free trial for a time tracking software that works seamlessly with both platforms. First, let's start with Slack. There are several ways to track time inside Slack, but the easiest is through apps that integrate directly into your workspace. I recommend checking out our software, which you can install by going to the Slack app directory. Once you're there, search for the time tracking app that fits your needs and click Add to Slack. From there, you'll be asked to authenticate the app, and the integration will happen automatically. After installation, you'll see a new option in your Slack sidebar. Clicking on it will give you options to start, stop, and manage your time entries without leaving the Slack interface. It's super straightforward. Just type commands like start to begin tracking or stop to end your session. You can even set up reminders to ensure you're tracking your hours consistently. Now, let's move on to Microsoft Teams. The process here is very similar. First, open the Teams app and head over to the Apps section on the sidebar. From there, search for a time tracking tool that integrates well with Teams. I'm recommending our software, which will let you easily monitor time without interrupting your workflow. Once you've added the app, you'll be able to access it directly within the Teams interface. You can log time in the chat, start timers, and view your logged hours all from one spot. Just like with Slack, the interface is intuitive, and you can set custom commands to track time on specific tasks or projects. It integrates with your existing Teams channels, making it easy to stay in sync with your team and ensure accurate reporting. To set up your team on this system, you'll want to make sure that everyone in your organization has access to the app. You can do this by assigning permissions from the app settings, so you can track the hours of every team member across different channels. The best part? You won't need to leave your existing workflows. Everything runs directly within Slack or Teams, making time tracking as simple as possible. Now, before I close out, let me remind you about that exclusive free trial. In the description below, you'll find a link where you can get access to a time tracking software we've been using in this tutorial. It works great with both Slack and Teams, and it's free to try for a limited time, exclusively for my viewers. Key takeaway: integrating time tracking into Slack or Teams can streamline your workflow and make it easier to track your hours, whether you're working alone or managing a team. All it takes is installing the right software, setting up your preferences, and then starting your time tracking right from within Slack or Teams. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial in the description below to follow along with the software we recommend. Thanks for watching, and happy time tracking.